Why does this lake look like strawberry milk from space? Tanzania's Lake Natron flashes pink. And up close, it feels less like paradise and more like a warning right now. That color isn't dye, it's armies of salt-loving microbes and algae thriving in water so alkaline it can burn eyes and turn skin slick like soap in minutes if you stay. When the sun hits the shallow flats, the pigments flare, and the lake becomes a mirror of pink glass. Animals that wander in can end up mineral-coated, eerily statue still forever. Yet life hacks it. Lesser flamingos flock here because the harsh water scares off most predators, and their chicks can grow on tiny islands of salt and mud each year. Bubblegum glow isn't a filter. It's chemistry, survival, danger. Would you swim? Comment, then save this to watch again.